Bruins legend Willie O'Ree is heading to the Hockey Hall of Fame as a member of the class of 2018. O'Ree was selected in the Builders category based on his off-ice contributions to the organization and the game of hockey. O'Ree was the first black player to compete in an NHL game on January 18, 1958, when the Bees faced the Canadiens. Bruins CEO Charlie Jacobs shared, "This honor is long overdue, as Willie has been a tremendous figure in our game both on and off the ice for over 60 years. For the last 20 years, O'Ree has worked with the NHL as a diversity ambassador, focusing on the league's Hockey is for Everyone initiative."